Classmates, this is Dave Sherman. I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of BBC Ultra today. So remember, when you use BBC Ultra, you're going to need to use Firefox because it's the most compatible browser. At the bottom of your screen when you enter BBC Ultra, you'll see four icons. The first one is your status and settings. This offers a feedback, so you could give your instructor feedback, you can give other classmates feedback, you could agree or disagree with them. And this also offers, if you need to leave the session or walk away for a moment of time, you can simply do so by pressing either button. Next to that is our shared audio button. So before you speak in class, you're going to need to press the share audio button so everyone else can hear you through their headset. And if you need to, you could share your video by pressing the next icon right next to it. And to the right of that is the raise hand icon. So if you have a question, if you want to answer a question, you can simply click on that and then it will raise your hand, and to lower it, you press it again. On the right is the open collaborate panel. So in your panel, you have the option to chat with classmates. So you can simply say hello, and you can see who's attending the class by clicking on that button right there. And I am the only one attending right now. And another very important button to our class is the share content. So you can share your content with the entire class. So you can have a share your blank whiteboard, so you can draw by clicking the pencil icon. You can draw. You can erase it by clicking the eraser, and you can also write text on there. So if you need to, you can ask a question, and you will be sharing that to the entire class. And to stop sharing, you press this button right here. And then you can also share your application screen so everybody else could see exactly what you're seeing on your screen by clicking entire screen, and allow. And then to get off of that, you'll simply hit the stop sharing button again. BBC Ultra also offers you a polling option. You can do yes or no polls. You can give 2 choices, 3 choices, 4 choices, or even 5 choices. And that is a tour of BBC Ultra.